How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. It's got a service replacement, 375 horse, 396 in it. It's done in its factory original Regal Red. See, the bumper's been re-chromed on the car, replaced. All the hood trim. Grill is original. It's all in excellent shape. Beautiful, beautiful car. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun is coming and going today. The car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got the matching red interior, which is just very cool looking. I really like the colored interior in these cars. It just makes the car a lot neater. You know, everybody's got a black interior that are hot and sticky in the summer. These aren't. So all the tail light trim and rear bumper all been replaced. Very nice car. The original panel car, original floors. We got the original Protecto plate and owner's manual with the car. It's also been featured on a calendar and also a magazine article. It's just a super nice little car. It is a true 138 car. Been updated with power disc brakes in the front. Got 12 bolt posi with a 331 gear. The doors are all nice and clean on the car. Tell you, I really like the red interior in the car. It's got the factory gauge package with a knee knocker tach. And the headliner in this car, everything's very, very nice. It's all been redone. It's got the deluxe front and rear seat belts. Original center console. The Muncie shifter's been replaced with a Hirsch Competition Plus. It's just a better shifter. And this is the factory colors on the car. See, we got the Protecto plate, owner's manual, and copy of the magazines there and stuff, parts. Original jack and spare. They did a radio CD, AM FM CD stereo, nicely done in the glove box. You know, they didn't want to cut the dash or anything up in the car. It's super nice. Does have a set of headers on it and duals out the back. Good sounding motor. Got the original Winners aluminum intake on it. Tell you, it sounds really good. Got a nice set of stock type mufflers on it, so it's not real loud, but you can sure hear the camshaft in it. Tell you, this is just a really nice car, nice and straight, slick paint on it. It's a car you can just get in, go to your car shows, cruises, have a lot of fun with it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.